Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 25 to the power of n minus 15 to the power of n equals to 9 to the power of n, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we divide both of the sides by 9 to the power of n. So you get 25 to the power of n over 9 to the power of n minus 15 to the power of n over 9 to the power of n equals to 9 to the power of n over 9 to the power of n. So now in the next step we will use here the nice exponential formulas. So first I can introduce little bit these formulas here, and you know that if we have a to the power of m over b to the power of m, it is equals to a over b and its whole power n. So if you have different bases and the same exponents, then according to this law we will combine its exponent here, and you have a over b and its whole power m. So if you focus on the left hand side, and you have 25 to the power of n over 9 to the power of n, and we will combine the exponent of these two terms, and we will write it as 25 over 9 and its whole power n, minus, similarly here we combine the exponent of these two terms, and you will get 15 over 9 and its whole power n, and this whole equals to, these two are cancelled by each other, and we get this is equals to 1. So in the next step we will make little bit simplifications here, and you see that these terms are written as, we can write 525 as 5 squared, and we write this 9 as 3 squared and its whole powered n, minus, here we will cancel these two terms by the table of 3. So you have 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. So here you obtain 5 over 3 and its whole power n equals to 1. So in the next step we will again combine the exponent of these two terms, and we write here 5 over 3 whole square and its whole power n, minus 5 over 3 and its whole power n equals to 1. So now we will convert this nice exponential equation into the quadratic form. So before convert this into quadratic form, we will take one simplification step here. So now we will interchange these two exponents, and we will write this term as 5 over 3 and its whole power n and its whole squared, minus 5 over 3 and its whole power n, and this is equals to 1. So now we will convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here we just take y equals to 5 over 3 and its whole power n. So when you put y equals to 5 over 3 and its whole power n, then this equation will becomes in quadratic form, so that this implies that when we take this is as y, so you get here y squared minus y equals to 1. So now we will take a little bit simplifications here, and we can find the factors of this equation. So first we move this one in the right hand side, and you get y squared minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So now we can solve this problem for by using the quadratic formula. So here you have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, and c equals to minus 1, and our nice quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: y equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and you will get its output in the form of y equals to minus b, and you have the value of b is minus 1. So when you put here, then you get plus 1 and plus minus, you have a square root of b squared. So the value of b is minus 1, and you know that the square of minus 1 will becomes plus 1, and minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1, and this whole over 2. So in the next step, we can make simplifications here, and you get 1 plus minus. Here you have minus minus plus, and 1 plus 4 will becomes square root of 5 over 2. So now we convert this equation in two cases. The first case is we write y equals to positive term, and which is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and our other case is we write y equals to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So first we will discuss the second case, and in this case first I can put the value of y. So in the start of the problem we will take y equals to 5 over 3 to the power of n. So when we back substitute this value, then you get 5 over 3 and its whole power n equals to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So now you focus on this term, and you see that in the left hand side we have an exponential function, and you know that about exponential function, it is always gives the positive value, and in the right hand side you have negative value. So this is positive value and its right hand side be the negative value. So it cannot be possible an exponential function equals to some negative value, so that we will rejected this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. So in this case we have y equals 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and we will put the value of y, which is 5 over 3 and its whole power n equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And now we will just use here the log on both of the sides in order to find the value of n. So you have log of 5 over 3 and its whole power n equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So now in the left hand side we will apply the property of logarithm. So we move this exponent in the front of this log, and you get n times of log 5 over 3 equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2. So here we apply the property of log, and you get this form. Similarly, we will apply the same property in the left hand side, and we move this log 5 over 3 in the right hand side, and you will get here n equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2, and this whole over log of 5 minus log of 3. So this is the our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.